Hi guys, it's me Jason and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are gonna learn a strategy called gap up strategy or gap filling strategy. That's what I used yesterday and gave a profit of 4,000, almost a risk reward of 1 to 2.6, and also it's a good risk reward. And the main thing is yesterday was a trending day, so I missed the whole trend of 1 to 20. And like when I saw at the end of the day that I saw the chart at the end of the day, and then I saw that there was a huge training day which I missed wholly, but it's fine. The target was hit, and there are many more training days to come which we can capture. Now we'll see the live trade, and after that I'll teach you what was my thought process, why I took the trade, how I took the trade, and you'll learn something in this video. So come, let's get it. So this is the chart on trading view, and the trade was on 31st August. So after the first 5 minutes candle, we see that there was a huge buying order, right? There was a huge green candle. So I think many might have gone long over here, but I didn't go long because there was a resistance R2 over here. So I would have gone long if this green candle, you know, crossed the R2 level, and if it showed more bullish signs, I would have gone long. But in this candle, the candle closed below R2 level, and after that I waited and I saw there was a red candle and another huge red candle which closed below the R1 level in pivot lines. So I tried to like put a market order immediately over here, but my order was executed around this level, around this point. And usually I keep a stop loss of 60 points really, because that's like 1% of my capital, because I trade with one lot. So my when I executed the order over here, my stop loss is immediately within a second. There's a huge upside move, and I was like, I didn't keep my stop loss order. I was like about to keep the target and stop loss order. Immediately the price went up, so I was like thinking it was showing a loss of 3,000. So I was like, should I exit the trade, or should I just stay, or should I just wait? I was thinking, and I was like about to exit the trade, but after I saw this candle, you see this inverted pin bar, so I got bit relaxed, because this candle is a sign that it retested this level and showed a pin bar. See, there was a wick over here at that point, and there was another candle also which showed a wick at that point, and there was a small bullish candle. Immediately a kind of Moribozu candle came, which is a red candle, and I was a bit confident that okay, my target will be hit, and my target was around the previous day high. So it was around previous day high, and this was my target. And because of this candle, I didn't cancel my order with, I didn't exit the trade with a loss. I came out with a profit because I was sure that the price was about to go down because of this inverted pin bar which formed at the pivot line. So it was such a simple gap of filling. So I was expecting this gap to be filled, this gap over here. So a good stop loss would have been, a good entry would have been at the close of this candle, and a stop loss over here and a target over here, and this is almost 1:2. And see the trade a whole day, like almost 1:2. Like considering that I keep only 60-point stop loss, it was almost 1:20. See, it was making 20% of your capital in just single day if you just followed the whole trend and kept your winning trade winning. So that's how I missed trade, like the whole trending day I missed it, but it's fine. Next trending days will come, we'll try to capture the whole trend. And that was it. I was just expecting the price to be I was expecting the price to fill up this gap, because this candle couldn't cross the R1 level, the R2 level, and many might have gone long over here, and they might have kept the stop loss over here. So this candle took away their stop loss, and the big players would also short it because they hunt our stop loss, right? And I went short over here, keeping my target over here. Simple 1:2.6, I must say, even though my stop loss is hit. Before I could even put my stop loss order, my stop loss is immediately hit. Then I was just stunned to see it, but it was okay that I had my gut feeling to stay, and my gut feeling said that stay in the trade, because there is an inverted candle over here, a bullish candle, and there was 3 bullish candles in a row. Bearish candles. It was 3 bearish candles in a row and inverted pin bar. So I just waited, and my target was hit immediately. And that was a simple trade, and strategy is simple. Again, I'm telling the strategy is, with the pivot lines, you mark these pivot lines, and if this candle couldn't cross this R2 level and shows a bearish shine, and it crosses R1 level, you see if there is any retest, or if there is more bullishness, enter over here, keep your stop loss above the R1 level, and take profit at previous day high, because previous day's highs could be a good support, right? It can be a good support, and price has a good probability of reversing back from previous day high. But in this case, it came down to give 1:20 risk reward. And in case if it might have reversed, it would have hit my stop loss only. I would have come out with a loss also. So it was good that my target was here. My target was it. Be happy with that. Next time when a trending day happens, we'll try to capture it. So that's all with this video. Simple strategy, which I'm again telling. There is a bullish candle, but that candle couldn't cross this level, but showed a bearish sign, and it came down, it retested this level and couldn't cross this level. So once you get a clear sign that the price couldn't cross this level with bearish candle over here, keep your target somewhere, entry over here, stop loss over here, and target over here. So that was a simple gap up strategy, and it's very powerful strategy, simple and powerful. Many people use it, and only use it when you see that the price couldn't go above this some pivot lines, or there is a immediate red candles forming after the green candle. That's how you can say that gap can be filled. So that's all with the strategy. And today's 1st September, it was in a profit of 2000 I took in HDFC. That I'll come with another video. And finally it went to loss of 200 in today's trade. So I'll make another video and teach you what was a mistake in that, how from 2000 profits to 200 loss, how I made it in just one trade. So that's all with this video. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe and like the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.